Y'all, welcome back to another day in the life of a nurse. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Mimi. I'm a travel nurse. I work in the emergency department. I also work in a men's prison. If you guys are new here, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And hopefully you enjoy my show.
Didn't know what you wanted, but you don't even trust yourself. We were so high up in love, but not enough to bring us back from where we fell. I feel paralyzed looking in your...
Hey guys, what's up? As you guys know, I am currently contracted a couple hours away from my house. I live in Cleveland, however, my current contract is in Columbus, which is a couple hours away. So instead of driving back and forth every single day when I'm working, I get an extended stay hotel through my agency, which is 60% off discount hotels. So that just makes more financial sense instead of me driving back and forth every single day. So technically I'm only gone from my house 2 days because my third shift I end up driving back. So with the discount for the week, I pay about $190 for the extended stay hotel, which isn't horrible because as much as I'm getting paid, it just makes way more sense. And yes, if you guys are new, before you guys ask, yes, I have kids. Yes, I have a husband. However, my husband's an attorney. He's able to work from home. And yes, he's very supportive of me being a travel nurse because our plan is to buy a house in Georgia or Texas where we have family there. We don't really have family here anymore. So we're on the same financial goal to be able to move. And the fastest way to make that money was for me to go into traveling. Here's a little fit check. I'm wearing my royal blue figs with a gray hoodie that has royal blue in it. And then my New Balance figs. At this current contract, we do not have a color restriction code.
With you right next to me,
As you guys know, I've always been a night shift. However, with this contract, it's rotating days, evenings, and nights. So I'm always tired, but first, Starbucks. So here's what I'm talking about. Right now, I am currently driving from my house back to Columbus, and then I'm working the evening shift. So right now, I'm just getting stocked up on drinks and caffeine for my long trip, because right when I get to Columbus, I should have 30 minutes before I clock in. And I don't mind doing it this way because I get to spend time with my kids, my family, and then still...
Can I have one large peach green tea with lemonade sweetened with 4 liquid cane? And can I have a large caramel frappuccino with extra caramel drizzle?
You think I love you early.
That's it. Thank you.
Now I know y'all heard me say extra caramel drizzle. Where's the extra? And 2, where's the caramel drizzle? And don't say that's caramel drizzle on top. Anyways, I made it on time, and when I pulled up, there was a Jeep Wrangler. And if you guys know about Jeep Wranglers or Rubicons or that same model, they like ducking people. And I got these ducks off Amazon, by the way, because I've got asked this before. I saw a Wrangler and I decided to duck them because at the emergency department, you never know what somebody's going through. They could have lost someone, they could have been critically ill, you never know. So I like doing it at the emergency department because you never know what somebody's going through, and I just like to give them a little extra smile in their day. So as I walked in, they told me I'm getting floated to med-surg. As a traveler, you have to be flexible or else you will not make it.
Even good times get you high. Little bit lost, but it's alright. Even bright lights got a dark side.
This question's for my aspiring nurses or nursing students. What pulse is abnormal? Leave a comment down below. Or what is normal range for a pulse? And before anybody says anything, this was not my patient. Their nurse was in their room and the patient was just brushing their teeth. And if you're a nurse, as you know, a simple task like that can just raise somebody's pulse. Because people are in a hospital for a reason. I will say, other than being really flexible, I will say one of the hardest things about being a traveler is knowing where everything is located. So this hospital has different supply closets, and I was just looking for something simple like tissue paper, but I never know where anything is, and people are so busy you don't even want to bother asking. I'm sure if I asked, people would be really friendly about it, but I'm like, let me just figure this out. But then again, you'll have one of the ones like, oh, you're a traveler, you don't know that? Girl, how am I supposed to know where the tissue paper is? That could be in the basement for all I know. Because once in a while, you'll run into those little nurse bullies, but whatever. I have a strong enough personality that I can just turn it down real quick. One thing I really like, and I bring this everywhere, is my clipboard. It folds in threes, which I really like because I'm still able to fold it out and write on it and then fold it back up to cover all my patient information because, as you guys know, HIPAA is huge. If you guys are ever curious in my essential stuff or my day-to-day things like that clipboard or that long ponytail that I wear or even my bed frame, because I get a lot of questions on that as well, all of those things are listed in my Amazon storefront, which that link is listed in my description box below. So if you guys are ever interested, just check that out. And if something's not there that you're interested in, just comment or reach out to me and I will definitely find out where I got it from and send you the link. I get a lot of questions on why I don't always post a lot of videos. I post a lot of YouTube shorts, so if you guys are ever wondering what I'm doing, just go check those out. For example, my hair, somebody reached out to me and said they wanted to do my hair if I could do a short for them, so I'm just going to clip that in real quick.
And bitch, when we pretty as a ditty, and I'm working on my ass, but I got some nice titties. Hold on, hit my land if you looking for some pity, bitch, I got a cold heart,
I had to block out some of the original music and sounds from the original video because YouTube videos have different policies than YouTube shorts, and I didn't want to get hit with any copyright. So if you guys are ever wondering what I'm doing, just check out my YouTube shorts.
I don't know what I'm missing. Well, you're missing all along.
Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. There's still a lot more to go. However, if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, ever have a question, leave a comment down below and I will always answer them. So right now I'm just testing out the glucometer to make sure it's in normal range and that it's functioning properly.
I just can't handle your pride no more. It's like an evolution in your brain.
So when you see the red, that means it's the high levels. The low one, like 39, that's the blue level. So just saying hot, you're super high, cold, you're super low. Many hospitals are enforcing breaks. However, if I don't get a break, I'm definitely clocking out no break. As you guys know, I had a long day, so I just had to get a little more caffeine. And I'm just taking a really quick break. I like having these for my break because you just can sip it and go. And you could also put it in like the hospital cups, so then it could just look like you're having like a water or whatever. Just make sure you don't burn your mouth.
I don't know what I envisioned, but the vision could have been wrong. I'm just trying hard to listen. If I listen, can you be strong? Be strong. There's just been way too much stress. It could be me, I confess. Maybe we just need a rest or more. And I'm sorry, I don't know why. I feel like something has died. I just don't think I can try no more. It's like an evolution in my brain, burning like a fever that I can't contain. Growing to my heart, I'll be as hard as stone, but nobody'll notice cause I'm always on my own. Maybe it's somebody I used to like. Will I be running from it all my life? Don't you see, you know I'm gonna be alone. Why don't you take a moment to get off your throne and show me what you got? How can I show you that somebody cares if you keep pushing me away? What you got? Am I just trying to convince myself that everything will be okay? What you got? Instead of listening to someone else, could I have a little more say? What you got? Won't you show me what you got? Can you show me what you got? It's like an evolution in your brain. It's like a fever that you can't contain. It's like an evolution in my brain. It's like a fever that I can't contain. I don't know what I am missing. Are you missing me at all?
So I've gotten this question in my comments before. So when I hit this button at the bottom, it counts that I took one out, so then pharmacy knows how many are in there. Yo, what are these for? Tell me in the comments. And somebody asked me this in the comments below before. This is the skin meds. Make sure you have the right patient and the right medication for the patient. If this was for a different patient, it wouldn't let me scan. It would say brum brum.
push me away, your lifeline. Losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold.
So this day they were actually super short, so they let me do a double in exchange for one of my shifts, which was nice because that means I ended up getting to go home because I ended up leaving my ID, which yes, I shouldn't be driving without it. I didn't realize I left my purse that has it, so I'm about to go home, get it, stay for a couple days, and then go back for my last shift.
Like I said, once I showered, I sat in my bed, so I knew that was gonna happen. I showered, and then I walked into my room to get dressed. I saw my bed, I'm like, you look so comfortable. So now I'm sitting in it, but I will still go to the gym. Don't worry, I swear. I can't be a certified couch potato forever. So I'm just enjoying my bed right now. But yes, like I said, I have to shower before I go to the gym. That's just something I have to do. But I'm gonna get dressed, go to the gym, hopefully go to the store and get some stuff, because I'm out of deodorant. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you along for that. So
They left you bare, but I'm begging you, stare in my eyes for you. Yeah, I took my life. And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out.
So now I'm about to just get ready to get in the shower before I head to run my errands. Yes, I showered at the gym. I always bring my hygiene products, towel, and obviously a change of clothes.
Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite?
Going to Walmart, I dress any type of way. I will go in my Christmas Grinch onesie. I don't even be caring because no matter what I wear, I fit right in. I also go super early or super late, so there's barely anybody ever there. So the likelihood that I'm going to run into somebody that actually knows me is very, very, very slim. The likelihood I do actually run into somebody, they already know I'm a hot mess princess, but I can get myself together if I want to. But to Walmart, I definitely don't.
every time my friends get in my car, they're like, why does your car smell so good? That's why it smells so good, because it's made for little spaces.
I don't know if I'm late to the game, but I did not know Walmart made house keys. And when I was walking out, I saw that they had the Nightmare Before Christmas house key. If you guys know, Halloween is my favorite holiday. My mom used to go all out for Halloween. She would make our Halloween costumes by scratch. So it's just a really good memory I have. And I guess that's why Halloween has always been my favorite holiday. It's just a good memory. And I was just like, I have to have this house key. And it was like $5. Also, my cat is all black. And if you've ever seen the movie Hocus Pocus, the black cat, Zachary Binks, my cat is named Binks after that cat. Because as you guys know, Halloween's my favorite holiday. And he's just so cute. Look at him. He takes over my bed. Yes, he runs me. Now I'm just uploading some content so I can have more videos posted. Also, if you guys don't know, I post a lot of shorts. So if you guys want to see some of those, then just go onto my shorts on this channel. It's always nice to be back home, see my family. However, as you guys know, I am contracted a couple hours away. So I'm about to drive back to my hotel since I am working next couple shifts. However, before I'm going to do that, I'm going to clean out my car. I probably clean out my car once to twice a week, and I get my car washed twice a week. I have the membership, which is, I think it's like $19 a month to get my car washed. Unlimited, so that for me is a plus, because having a really dark car, it just gets so grimy so quick. So I get it washed, and at that same car wash, the vacuuming is free. So anytime I'm there, I really just vacuum out my car. I just feel like what your car looks like and the status of it says a lot about you. So I don't want people looking in my car window and it's all grimy and gross, and they'll be like, oh, she's probably disgusting. So I don't know, it's just something about me. So I like cleaning out my car, and once I'm done with doing that, then I'm going to be driving back to my hotel. And yes, I do have children. However, my children typically are not in this car. They're in our family car. So that car is the one that gets the most wear and tear and love. from my kids. But leave a comment and let me know what the status of your car is.
Looking in your eyes, wish I could be who you were made for, 'cause you were made perfectly.
So I keep my purses under my passenger seat or my driver's seat sometimes. Have you ever heard of like the smash and dash? When you'd be literally driving your car and at a stoplight someone would just break your window and take it off of your seat. So I end up keeping it under my seat because my car is so high. So my thought process is if they broke it, they wouldn't be able to reach it. And also they can't see it when it's under my seat. So for me, prevention is better than cure, which is why I have it under my seat all the time. I haven't heard of it happening in Cleveland, but I hear it a lot in like Atlanta and New York. But since I'm in Columbus, I don't know much about that city because I don't live there, so I just prevent it. About 2.5 hours later, I am back to my hotel. I'm about to just shower, decompress, get my stuff ready for my next couple shifts. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe and can't wait to see you on my next shift.